Welcome to 202 Riverlinks Drive, Burnsville, North Carolina, in the heart of the gorgeous Blue Ridge Mountains. Come home to this stunning, custom-built mountain cabin perfectly positioned along the 16th fairway of the Mount Mitchell Golf Course. This beautifully crafted home features hand-hewn northern pine siding, stone accents, and a spacious, open floor plan designed for comfort and entertaining. The great room impresses with vaulted ceilings and a grand stone fireplace beneath a rustic log mantel. The gourmet kitchen offers a large island with breakfast bar, dual sinks, stainless steel appliances, a 5-burner gas range, and walk-in pantry, flowing seamlessly into a dedicated dining area. The main-level primary suite includes a private covered porch, dual vanities, tiled shower, and walk-in closet. Upstairs, a bright open loft provides an ideal office or sitting area, with 2 guest bedrooms, each featuring private powder rooms and a shared full bath. Enjoy the mountain air from the screened porch with wood-burning fireplace, wraparound deck, or covered front porch overlooking a level, tree-lined yard with stone path leading to a fire pit. Nestled on 1.25 acres in the Mount Mitchell Golf Course community, just minutes from the Blue Ridge Parkway and South Toe River, renowned for trophy fly fishing, this is true mountain living at its best.